guys, thank you so much for coming to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my November Ipsy bag. So if you guys want to see what I got, let's get into the video. Alright, so when I pull it out, it is this cute bag here. I love this color. That's really nice. It's just kind of like a little drawstring bag. I guess if they're doing like the bigger bags, they just do a drawstring instead of a zipper, which do I mind that? I don't know. Like, is that, the zipper's nice, but a drawstring is fine too, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I like a bigger bag. I feel like their smaller zip bags are just too small. Like couldn't put anything in it. All right, so the first thing I grabbed out, I have this Julep eyeshadow stick, which I think I have several of these from like a long time ago. I don't even remember if I still have them, what colors I had no idea, but they're really nice. This is the shade Bronze Shimmer. And these are really pretty. I just don't use them enough. Like, I don't know. Like, it's really pretty. It's just so smooth and gives like this really nice shine and shimmer and just kind of this, it just looks really smooth too. So I love that. I think I just need to try using it. I love the bronzy color that it is. So yeah. What else do we got? This Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick. So it's like a big contouring stick. See what this is like. Oh, it says a brush inside. That's cool. So I love their like, it like magnetizes closed. That's cool. I like that. Okay, so this, it looks decent of a shade. It looks a little dark, but if you just apply a little bit and blend it out, that could look really nice. I don't think it's too orangey or anything, so that looks really nice, the shade. And this little flat brush, that looks really nice. So just to blend it out. Yeah, like look how blended that is. So that looks really nice. I'm excited. This is really soft too. Next thing we have, ooh, what is this? Sugar Rush by Tarte. What are you? Dragon fruit? Lip something? Is it a lip gloss? Looks like more of like a lip oil. Ooh. That smells so good. You probably just see it's like glossy. So it's got like a tiny hint of like this kind of pinky shade to it, but nothing crazy. I think I'm gonna love that. That smells so good. It smells so fruity and delicious. Like, I don't even know what it smells like. It reminds me of something, like maybe a kind of candy or something. Like some kind of Jolly Rancher or something. It smells really, really good though. I'm really excited about this one. Next we have Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. That sounds nice. Ooh, that smells really good too. Ooh, yeah. What is a lip mask? Is it like you wash it off, or do you just... What do you do? It says before bedtime, apply a generous amount onto lips and leave overnight. Can also be used during the day as a lip salve. Simply slather onto lips before any lipstick or gloss application. So it's just like a really hydrating lip balm stuff. But yeah, it does. I just got it on my nose. It does smell really good. I'm excited about those. Okay. And the final thing I got, which is really awesome is this Venice Fling and Bailey Syrian, or Bailey Syrian and Estate. I think Estate is the brand. Palette. This looks really nice. I love this packaging. I love like the palm leaves with the pink. It's so pretty. I love it. And when you open it, it is like really pretty. The pan sizes are really nice and big. I did already use this because I just couldn't wait. I had to open it and see what it was about. I was kind of disappointed with the pigmentation. I felt like I was kept dipping in and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to, which is kind of frustrating, but at the same time, it is more beginner friendly, or if you're somebody who likes less makeup and you usually overdo it. But I've never heard of this brand, and you know, it wasn't my favorite. Like I prefer something that's more pigmented, that, you know, can just go build the color up to what I need really quickly, instead of just kind of taking my time and like really dipping back and forth like 10-15 times. But something that's cool, I don't know if anybody knows Bailey Syrian. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but she has a channel on YouTube and she's got like over 1 million subscribers now. It's probably like 2 million, I don't even know, but I don't watch her channel because she does makeup, and she does really gorgeous makeup. But when she does her makeup, she's also talking about like murder mysteries or true crime stories, or I don't know, but I don't like that stuff. It's not something I'm into. So for that reason, I don't watch her videos. But something cool is I met her sister. Her sister like lives near me, and me and my husband do epoxy. He sells epoxy. She had commissioned us to do epoxy on their dining room table. So after meeting them and talking with them, she said that her sister was on YouTube and it was Bailey Syrian. So I got to meet her sister and do work with her. So she was really nice, and I just think that's really cool that, you know, I don't know, I met her sister, but I haven't met her. But let me swatch these so you guys can see. Let me wipe this off. And like I said, I haven't heard anything about this brand Estate, so it just looks really nice. So here's like that more yellow shade, which that looks really pretty. Some more peachy toned matte. More orangey tone. That one there. More pinky shimmery. Like a reddy brown matte. That purple. We have like a red maroon kind of shade that's shimmery, and then a shimmery, really dark purpley brown it looks like. So like the swatches aren't bad. I don't know, and I think maybe it was because I was using this shade and this shade, I think, were the two shades I was trying to like build up in the crease. I just wasn't really liking how it was looking, but they are, I mean, I think maybe I need to try out the other shades and see, but my first impressions were just not great of it, but I will give it some more chances because it is pretty and I love this packaging. I love it so much. Like, take me somewhere tropical. Just let's sit on the beach and drink fruity drinks and put our feet in the sand. Like, that's all I want in life. Anyone else? Can we do this? Like, all of us together. Let's go to the beach. Let's just say forget about 2020 and just spend the rest, like the last month at the beach. That would be amazing. All right, so that is it for my Ipsy unbagging, I guess, because it's a bag. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. I do 3 videos a week. And make sure you ring the little notification bell. It's like down, is it down here? Like, ring the little bell so that you get notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.